Hey folks, Steve here with you once again with Steve Stuff. We are in the midst of the January 2026 winter storm. For us in Ohio, it's just another day, another snow day. But I thought I'd show you how we deal with it. And you can see the Volkswagen there in the background, but we get the snowblower out, we snowblow the driveway. This does have an electric start, by the way. I just don't use it because it pull starts just fine, as you'll be able to see here in a second. I am going to speed up the rest of the video. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.